It's summertime round 09. On the corner real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
I'd like to welcome everyone to my channel with one great big aloha. Welcome my aunties, uncles, grandma, baby, all of that good stuff. Welcome to the channel. I am back. I know you probably see me with the same shirt. I did 2 videos in one day since I'm off on this nice President's Day. I hope everybody had a great weekend, got what they want for Valentine's Day, had a day off. We back on the grind on Tuesday. Now, if you can think for one thing you can do for me, if you can just hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, all of that stuff. I'm on the road to 10K. Hopefully I can hit the 10K by Christmas. If I get to 10K by Christmas, we're gonna do a giveaway. If you've been on my channel long enough, you know I do giveaways. Might do a raffle, do by 3 different shoes or gift cards or something. Thanks for all the love and support and all of that good stuff. Also, you go check out my homies and my sis, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ. Go check them out. Go check their channels out. Also follow us on IG under whohastheheat, and check out our sneaker battle channel on Instagram and YouTube as well. If you're interested in battling, hit myself up, my sis and my bro. We are always looking for people to battle. We have call outs. You can call people out. We also have the battles, tournaments and stuff like that. I'm not sure we're gonna do them in tournament style, but if you just want to do call out, call somebody else. We're gonna do the battle. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this shoe. It's probably, let me see, it's in my top 3 of shoes. I like 4s, 11s, and what would be my other shoe? 4, it used to be 6s, but I ain't gonna say 6s. I think 12s as far as Jordan silhouettes. So here we go. Got this little nice box here. I think this shoe dropped back in December, I want to say. Look at this box, very nice. And it's a 9.5 Air Jordan 11 Retro. Like I said, depending on the price, 9.5, 10, 11, no, 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11 certain shoes. Like you can do the Ajas, I think the Jellyfish can do 11. For some reason, I can do a 9 in 6s. 6s run very big for some reason. But we're not here to talk about the 6s. These are the Jordan 11. I can't read the color. I should have my glasses on because it's too small for me. But nice box. Make you feel real special. Then you can see you have this writing inside. You already know what time it is. These are the Jordan 11 China. This is the only one I wanted out of the group. I didn't want all of that other, that Houston 285 and those purple joints. We don't need that. We don't need none of that. We need these in our life. Bang and bang. Woo-wee. Boy, oh boy, this is something different. This is what I'm talking about. Make you feel all special. I think these were $250 retail. I got them for a little over 300 on GOAT. I do a lot on GOAT. Originally, these was about 800. Let me get the smell. Let me see. Let's see. Nothing different here. Give you the spin around for the one time. You see all the different stuff I mentioned in my short Chinese New Year, but it's just actually China. As you can see around here, they did like this satin piece, which was very dope. The 23 in the back is different too. It's kind of, it's not stitched for sure. It's like on this satin, like I said. You got your 3rd row with your traditional Air Jordan in there. And then you have all these different symbols on the side. Almost look like that because it's kind of sparkly. See that? See that little stuff on the side? Look kind of all sparkly, nice and sparkly. Then you got this red. I thought the red was brighter than this, but it's kind of like a red. It's real down. I can't even describe it, but it ain't as bright as it seems. Kind of almost like between red and brown. Then underneath, you kind of got that translucent, but like a gum looking bottom. Very dope, as you can see. You got your herringbone traction right here. 11s are very comfortable, but it's always posed the word. Why people do not wear 11s is the real question. I guess you got to have a special occasion. I'm looking inside to see. This doesn't even have a shoe tree. It has this stuffing, what I was talking about earlier, that I really don't care about, but this is dope because they MCFLYKOF because they replace their patent leather with something. It's kind of like smooth, but it's not patent leather for sure. Probably got to spray this side here to keep it from getting any juice or anything, or people splattering anything on here. Got like 1, 2, maybe 3 or 4 different materials on here. So very good. You already got to hit this for your carbon shank. Other than that, y'all let me know, will y'all be reaching back for these shoes, or it's a no look pass and you people don't care about Levis no more? People just overjoyed. You let me know what you think. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Until the next, we out. Peace.